के मनीषा या शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ चॅनलमध्ये सर्वांचं स्वागत. Hello students, welcome in Science Dream. Standard 8th General Science, Chapter number 1, Living World and Classification of Microbes by Manisha Sangameshwar Kalshetti, MSc B.Ed. In this session, we discuss about the exercise of chapter number 1. Question 1. Use Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. What is the answer? Microorganism is divided into prokaryotes, eukaryotes. Bacteria, eukaryotes, protista, fungi and algae. You can write here the characteristics of bacteria, protozoa, fungi and algae also. Next. Second question is complete the 5 kingdom method of classification using living organism, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animals, plants and fungi. Answer. This is the question. Living organism. We have to put here the answers. Isn't it? First one is the prokaryote. Second one is the eukaryotes. Then here is the unicellular and multicellular. There are two types of the eukaryotes. Unicellular, kingdom Monera. Then kingdom Protista. Then kingdom Fungi. Then kingdom Plantae. And last kingdom is the Animalia. Isn't it? Okay. Now third question is find out my partner. Match the following. Fungi is the related to the example of fungi is the Candida. Good. Protozoa. What is the example of protozoa? Chlorella, bacteriophage, amoeba, prokaryotic, amoeba. Good. Third one, virus. Bacteria, virus attack the bacteria and copy the virus. Same copy of itself in the bacteria. Therefore, virus related to the bacteriophage. Third answer is the virus bacteriophage. Then algae. Algae, there is the chloroplast. Algae contains the chlorella. An example of bacteria is prokaryotic, isn't it? Okay, we revise again. Fungi, Candida, protozoa, amoeba, virus, bacteriophage, algae, chlorella and bacteria related to prokaryotic. Then fourth question is state whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. Where lactobacilli is present? In curd. And curd is useful to our health, our body. Therefore, it is harmful? No, it is not Harmful, it is useful. Therefore, this is the false. What is the answer of this first? Is false. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. We already studied in the characteristics of fungi. Therefore, it is a true. Answer is true. Organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. Yes. Pseudopodia म्हणजे खोटे पाय त्याला हालचालीसाठी असतात. त्याला आपण छद्मपाद म्हणतो. True. Therefore, answer is of 3 is true. Tomato wilt is viral diseases due to the virus. Yes, it is correct. Therefore, answer of 4th is true. Then, question number 6. Who am I? I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles, or plasma membrane. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. I live on decaying organic matter. I reproduce mainly by cell division. I can produce my replica. And I am green but don't have organs. Now answer of these questions. Who am I? Answer of first, I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles or plasma membrane. It is related to the kingdom Monera. Second one, I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Protozoa. I live on decaying organic matter. Fungi. D. I reproduce mainly by cell division. Bacteria is binary division. I can produce my replica. Viruses. I am green but don't have organs. Green आहे परंतु organ नाहीये. Example, answer is the algae. Isn't it? Okay. Monera, protozoa, fungi, then bacteria, then virus, and last answer is the algae. Okay. Now we have to take question number 5. It is a brief question. Therefore, we take this after the 6. Give answers. State the merits of Whitaker's method of classification. Second question, write the characteristics of viruses. Third question, explain the nutrition in fungi. And fourth is, which living organism are included in the kingdom Monera. Now step by step we see the answers. Now, first question is merits of Whitaker's method. Answer is the merits of Whitaker's method of classification are: first one, he gives us 5 points. First point is unicellular and multicellular organism are kept under separate categories. Then second, autotroph and heterotrophs are placed in separate groups. Mode of nutrition. Third one, a separate kingdom was assigned to fungi because of its mode of nutrition. It is more natural than two kingdom classification. Prokaryotes are placed under a separate category of Monera. Now answer of the second question. B. The various characteristics of viruses are: they are smaller and simpler. smaller and smaller than the bacteria. They are ultra microscopic, visible only under the electron microscope. They are considered to be to the boundary of the living and non-living things. They are parasites and cannot live on their own. They cannot multiply on their own. They require living machines to multiply. Viruses consist of perfect material DNA, RNA surrounded by a protein coat. Viruses are causing many defaults, plants, animals, and microorganisms. Also, viruses attacks to the bacteria. And third answer is the mode of nutrition in fungi is saprophytic and they are called saprophytes. It is a mode of nutrition in which organism contain is a nutrient for the fungi. Isn't it? Then third one. Answer of the fourth D. Organisms with following characteristics are included under the kingdom Monera. Absence of nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Kingdom Monera मध्ये absence of nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Presence or absence of cell wall. Can be either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Are all unicellular and include mainly bacteria and blue-green algae. Examples include bacteria and blue-green algae. Then draw the diagrams, neat and label diagrams. Weightage of diagram is 2 marks. Different types of bacteria. This is the structure of a bacteria. Chromosomes, labeling, cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, flagella. Then the different types of bacteria are in second. This is the example of paramecium. And third example, third diagram, see here, second diagram is coccus, bacillus, comma shape, spirulium. And first bacteria is in circular shape. And this is the second diagram, structure of paramecium. You see in last lecture also. These are the cilia for locomotion, contractile vacuole, संकोची रिक्तिका, macronucleus and micronucleus, food vacuole, अन्न रिक्तिका. Structure of bacteriophage. This is the virus. Virus attack on the bacteria, forming a same copy of this. DNA, neck, head, collar, tail fibers and base plate is here. Okay. Draw the neat label diagram with sharp pencil. Use also color pencil to attractive figures. Last question is question number 8. Arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses and algae. Answer is viruses, bacteria, fungi, algae. Virus खूप लहान आहे. त्याच्यापेक्षा थोडा मोठा कोण आहे बॅक्टेरिया, त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठा फंगी, त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठा अल्गी अकॉर्डिंग टू द सायन्स. ओके. Thanks for watching. Do homework in your notebook. Till then, bye. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास के मनीषा या शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. धन्यवाद.